Have you ever found yourself waiting impatiently for payday, dreaming of the day your paycheck would hit your bank account? Well, I've got some news for you that might just change your financial game. Today, we're diving into the world of early direct deposit, and more specifically, whether or not SoFi offers this convenient perk. Imagine having access to your hard-earned cash days before your official payday. No more stressing about bills or unexpected expenses. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's where SoFi comes in. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of SoFi's early direct deposit feature, let's quickly understand what early direct deposit actually means. Essentially, it's a service that allows you to receive your paycheck earlier than the traditional payday set by your employer. This can be a game changer for many people, especially those who are living paycheck to paycheck or who need to cover unexpected expenses. It can also help you build your savings or invest more effectively. SoFi and early direct deposit. Now, let's talk about SoFi. If you're not familiar with SoFi, it's a financial technology company that offers a wide range of financial products, including savings accounts, checking accounts, loans, and investment services. So, does SoFi offer early direct deposit? The short answer is yes, but there are a few things you need to know. First, SoFi's early direct deposit feature is available to all SoFi Money members. This means you'll need to have a SoFi Money account in order to take advantage of this perk. Second, the exact timing of your early direct deposit will depend on your employer's payroll schedule and the specific details of your SoFi Money account. However, SoFi generally aims to provide early direct deposit access as soon as your paycheck is available from your employer. Third, it's important to note that early direct deposit is not guaranteed. In some cases, there may be delays due to factors beyond SoFi's control. Benefits of early direct deposit with SoFi. Now that we know SoFi does offer early direct deposit, let's explore some of the benefits of using this feature. Financial flexibility. Early direct deposit gives you more control over your finances. You can use it to pay bills on time, avoid late fees, or build your emergency fund, *. Peace of mind. Knowing that your paycheck is available early can help reduce financial stress, *. Improved credit score. Paying bills on time can help improve your credit score, *. How to get started with early direct deposit on SoFi. If you're interested in trying SoFi's early direct deposit feature, here's a quick guide on how to get started. 1. Open a SoFi Money account. 2. Set up direct deposit from your employer to your SoFi Money account. 3. Wait for your next paycheck to arrive early. Additional considerations. While early direct deposit can be a great benefit, it's important to consider the potential drawbacks. For example, some people may find it tempting to spend their money earlier than they would have otherwise. It's essential to create a budget and stick to it to avoid overspending. So, does SoFi do early direct deposit? The answer is yes. This convenient feature can provide you with greater financial flexibility and peace of mind. If you're looking for a way to access your paycheck earlier, SoFi's early direct deposit might be worth considering. However, it's important to weigh the benefits and drawbacks before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.